Okay.
So the pond that we're looking at is, it was made about 40 or 50 years ago, retained for cattle water retention. And commonly, over the last 20 years, this would be inundated by algae. And algae grows simply to help Mother Nature reduce the nitrate loads, the ammonias and fertilizers that come in on most every pond. So we put these islands in about 3 years ago, and the first year that we put them in, the algae reduction was only, the growth of algae was only about 25% of the surface area of historically. The second year, the algae was gone, totally. And so the reasoning is that these islands that hold colonies of bacteria and microbes require the same food, the same nitrate load that algae does in order for it to grow. But the difference here is that it transfers it into fish food. It takes phosphate out of the water, and phosphate is retained by fish. Actually, when you harvest a fish, catch a fish out of the water, you're actually harvesting phosphates. So the microbes are transferring the nitrate to fish food, ultimately through the food web or food chain to fish. The clarity is just incredible. You'll see 3 smaller islands, and those have all been naturalized, meaning that when we first put them in, we selected plants from an aesthetic standpoint and from a nutrient uptake standpoint.